If you're wondering which help desk software is the best between LiveAgent and Help Scout, you're in the right place. Both platforms offer a ton of features, but they also come with their own drawbacks. By the end of this video, I'll help you figure out which one might be better suited for your business, and stay tuned because I'll be recommending an even better alternative that you might want to consider. Let's start with LiveAgent. One of its standout features is its powerful ticketing system. It's easy to organize and prioritize tickets, which is great if you're managing multiple support requests at once. You can even automate some of these tasks, so the system helps you stay on top of everything without manually checking each ticket. However, LiveAgent's interface can be a bit overwhelming. For beginners, it might take some time to fully understand how everything works, and the design feels a little cluttered. Next, let's talk about Help Scout. It's known for its clean, user-friendly interface that's perfect for teams that prefer simplicity over complexity. The system focuses on providing a smooth customer experience, especially with features like email integration and collaborative inboxes. It's a great option if you don't want to deal with a steep learning curve. But while it's user-friendly, it lacks some advanced features that power users might miss. For example, its reporting capabilities are fairly basic, which might be a deal breaker for more data-driven teams. The third thing to consider is customer support. LiveAgent offers a 24/7 live chat option, which is a huge bonus if you need immediate help. But some users have reported that it can take a bit longer than expected to get in touch with support during busy times. Help Scout, on the other hand, provides phone support, but only for certain plans. If you're on a lower tier plan, you might have to rely solely on email support, which could delay responses. Moving on, both platforms offer great integrations with popular tools like Slack, Shopify, and Salesforce. However, LiveAgent takes the edge here with its broader selection of integrations, including things like social media platforms and more niche apps. Help Scout's integrations are good, but they're not as extensive, which may limit you if you're looking to connect with a specific tool. Lastly, pricing. LiveAgent has a more flexible pricing structure, which can be appealing for smaller businesses or startups. They offer a free plan with limited features, and their paid plans are generally more affordable compared to Help Scout. Help Scout's pricing, on the other hand, tends to be a little on the higher side, especially if you want access to advanced features like reporting and analytics. Now, here's the catch. Both LiveAgent and Help Scout are solid choices depending on your needs. But after trying both myself, I've realized that there's an even better option out there. If you're looking for the best help desk software with advanced features, a user-friendly interface, and unbeatable support, I'd recommend trying out the platform I've linked in the description below. By using that link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, while LiveAgent and Help Scout have their perks, if you want to make sure you're getting the best deal and the most robust set of features, check out the first link in the description. Don't miss out!